Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MEMECOIN token. Name of the token is MIU, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is a cat meme coin on the SUI blockchain. Very popular token, huge market cap. We're going to go over the information on the MEMECOIN token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It is at MIUCOIN_SUI, and you can see that they have the contract address right there, so it's real easy to find. They also have a link to their webpage, MEMECOIN.io. 13,700 Twitter followers. Blue verified checkmark, 96 tweets. It says, "Meet MEU, the playful cat bringing fun to the SUI network. Join the adventure." So if you scroll through their tweets, there is tons of memes and funny little tweets and stuff like that. Very much just a meme coin, and they make all these cool memes, so you could basically, if you like them, you think they're funny or whatever, you can shield them out. You could share them on your own social medias. So in the pinned tweet, it says, "Warning, MEU is here to break the blockchain with cuteness." It says, "Utilities will be coming soon. I think you should believe in the dev. Staking, sleep, nap, and earn. Token creator, do your own research. Tokens, MEU style, token lock, because trust is everything. The funniest cat on the SUI network." It says 1,000 holders already. MEU is racing to the moon. And we're here, and we're just here meowing in awe. Follow MEU and let's leave paw prints on the blockchain together. So they do have a link to their deck screener chart as well in the pinned tweet there. So that's another place you could find the contract address, but you could also see how the token's doing. Check out the price, the chart, all that stuff. And their Telegram is at MEMECOIN_SOL, and on there you can also find the contract address. They have 3,957 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this project. And then you go to the webpage here. The webpage has tons of info. They talk about the utility, tokenomics, roadmap, staking. You can connect your wallet to the page. Go over to MEMECOIN.io. So it says buy MEU, and that will take you. Let me wait until it highlights here. It says MEU, the meme cat coin on the SUI network. Let me see what it happens when you click buy. Oh, okay. So it just takes you to steps how to buy. So we'll get to that in a second here. But yeah, so it says here, MEU, the meme coin cat on the SUI network, is here to bring purrs and laughs to your crypto adventures. Now it says utility SUI powered MEMECOIN. So they have the staking platform. They have learn more buttons about every single little thing here. So it says MEU staking platform. The staking platform allows users to choose different staking durations, provide flexibility and incentivizing long-term holding. Various staking durations, options like 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Rewards, users are rewarded with MEU coins based on their staking period. And users can select their preferred staking duration with the rewards adjusted accordingly. So they also have the token creator, the MIU token creator. Empowers users to easily launch custom tokens with flexible features and seamless integration into the MIU ecosystem. So they have streamlined token creation process, amplifies the process of launching your own token with easy to follow steps, enabling users to create custom tokens quickly and efficiently. Customizable tokens, users can design their tokens with flexible features such as supply limits, distribution methods, and utility models, ensuring the token fits their specific goals. Seamless integration with the MIU ecosystem. Created tokens are fully compatible with the MIU platform, offering smooth integration for use within the decentralized applications, exchanges, and governance structures. Then we have the MIU Swap, so their own DEX, their own decentralized exchange. You could they launched their own DEX on the SUI network, allowing users to easily swap MIU coins and other SUI-based coins. Fast and secure transactions, leveraging the SUI network advantages for secure token swaps, low fees, user-friendly low transaction fees, and a simple interface, intuitive interface for users to easily perform coin swaps. So they have the MIU token lock as well. Provides a secure and transparent way of locking tokens, ensuring flexibility and trust within the ecosystem. Users can set customized lock duration conditions, offering greater flexibility in how and when their tokens are released, supporting various use cases. And enhanced trust and transparency. With the MIU token lock, the entire locking process is transparent and verifiable on the blockchain, fostering trust among users and investors in the ecosystem. And then we also have here the NFTs. So they have here the MIU NFT marketplace. They're going to develop their own marketplace for NFTs with MIU-themed NFTs where you can create, buy, and sell or trade them. Unique NFTs centered around this character. There's going to be special events and additional rewards. And you can get commission through sales. So all sorts of different utilities. So it's not just solely a meme coin. They have 900 trillion MIU tokens. And it says here that they have a roadmap on here that you could check out on the webpage. But they have 4 steps on how to buy the MIU coin. So they talk about get your wallet ready, download a wallet. So you could use a SUI wallet or a SUIET wallet. You could download one of those from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. And then it says visit the SUI network CETUS. So CETUS is a decentralized exchange, CETUS. So you would search that in the dApps. And then first you could fund your wallet with SUI, and you could do that from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So once you've funded your wallet with SUI, then you've gone to CETUS. Then you punch in how much SUI you want to spend. And then it'll tell you how much MIU tokens you get for that amount. You could find the contract address on their webpage here, MEMECOIN.com, or you could easily find it on their documentation, white paper, DEX screener chart. You can find it on the Twitter real easy. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Then you would trade your SUI for the MIU token. Now this token has a $17.5 million market cap right now, and it came out 1 month, 14 days ago. So it's not a brand new token, but it is a very popular token and is doing very well. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.